Why are most students better at using digital technology than their teachers? Does this translate to AI? I believe this does translate to AI, and I'm going to tell you why I think most students are better at using digital technology than their teachers. I believe it comes down to one key thing, and that is confidence. Because students have grown up with digital technologies their whole lives and have been constantly surrounded by them and have enjoyed using them, they're not afraid to try new digital technologies when they appear. So when artificial intelligence comes around in the form of ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, students are willing to engage with these AI programs or AI chatbots because they want to know how can they use these programs to better their learning, or how can they use these programs to do whatever it is that they want to do. And they're going to experiment and chat with these programs until they figure it out. They have the confidence to do so, and they're willing to take that risk that must be taken so you can better understand the technology for yourself. That is a key lesson for teachers. Many teachers that I've met are waiting for that magic solution, that perfect blueprint on how to use AI. And whilst I and many other AI experts can provide those blueprints and can give you many solutions on how to use AI to better your teaching and your life, these blueprints, whilst they are great, as I've said, are not going to be perfect. Because nobody in this world truly understands artificial intelligence and how it exactly works. Because we are human beings. We are not AI. We are not computers. We are not robots. So how can we possibly fully understand how something that is not us actually works? Yes, we can provide tips. Yes, we can provide guidance. But to truly even understand those tips and the guidance that we provide, you must engage with the tools yourself. You must experiment first and take our advice with a grain of salt because, as I have said, we are human. We are not AI. And maybe to actually understand AI properly, we need to speak to AI. We need to hear what AI says first. So these are great lessons to take. And I think we can learn a lot from our students in the way that they are curious, they are willing to take a risk, and they are willing to try before they buy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great